Hey everybody, this is Madam Yagi. I've had a couple of questions about how to access French 1 stuff on Quizlet. So what you want to do is go to search, type in Madam Yagi French 1. That will bring up some options. Now, this is listed as sets, so this is bringing up a whole bunch of individual sets. That's not what you want. You want to go down and click on classes, and that will bring up a list of classes. So usually the one you're looking for is the first one that comes up. It's 46 sets, 95 members, it's Ridgeline High School. There's some other ones that people have created, I think, at some point, so don't get distracted by those. So this is the one you're looking for. You'll click on it. It'll automatically give you access to all of the sets. If you want to join the class, you can ask to join it, but you don't have to. I'll still be able to see all of the activity you're doing. It'll still count for your Quizlet requirement for the week. So you can just scroll down. Alphabetical order is the best way to do it, and it's just like French 2. Everything's organized by unit and topic. I hope that helps. If you have questions still, let me know.